I mean,
That's right.
I absolutely love this one. I mean, I absolutely love this fabric. If I can open it out, that is absolutely fabulous.
I love the gold in it. I like a bit of gold.
Yeah, and it just goes so well with the fabrics. And again, you've pulled some of it into the front as well. So
and with the stitching as well. So the stitching isn't white. It's actually like...
It's variegated, is it?
Yes. I think it's these two colours here.
Yeah, so you change them halfway through, so that's really clever.
Yeah, because there was so much negative space, I think I thought I would try and lift it up with the colour of the thread. But it's great to kind of show that, not to be scared by coloured thread, because it doesn't dominate the quilt. It's quite subtle. I mean, this is 50 weight, so it's not going to be a thick weight on top. It's quite a nice thin... It's what I piece with as well. I do tend to quilt with it because I just like it, the subtleness of it.
And I think most of us would just stick with one colour, wouldn't we?
Yeah, well, I think probably have done a creamy colour in here.
Maybe I have to expand my horizons.
Yeah.